Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and today we are starting the first episode of Within a Mile. The purpose of this series is to take interesting pictures a mile from where you live. It may not be a mile, maybe a mile and a half or 2 miles, but a mile and a half or within a mile and a half doesn't sound right, so we'll stick to the mile. We're out here looking for compositions of something that's interesting to photograph. We're in the woods, which is local, which is in less than a mile, and we're just going to have a look around these woods to find some interesting things to shoot. Now I've got my extension tubes with me, so we can do some close-up work, or we can find a bigger composition. So we found a little pond here, which we'll have a look around to see whether we can find any suitable compositions. So we've come across this little scene, the small little bracket fungus, tiny, and we got one extension tube on just to get quite close. I've done a few shots of this and done some focus stacking, and we'll see how we get on. Now here's the thing, when I plugged the images into Lightroom, they wouldn't produce smart previews, so I thought, enlarge them up, they come up with an unknown error. This was all the pictures I took of the fungus. Now I still plugged them into Photoshop and stacked the images, but wasn't sharp, so that's probably me, and but they were faulty, so I've come out again and we've had another go, and this time hopefully I've nailed it. And I've got sort of some close-up images of this bracket fungi, which was a great disappointment before, but I hope you'll agree that they've come out reasonably well this time. Well, that was a good afternoon, and unseasonably warm today, and we're going to get these back on the computer. So I think a couple of close-up shots, not quite macro, but close-up of fungi. So we'll have a look in Lightroom. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that stuff.